All right, so we have a roller coaster at the bottom, and it has all this kinetic energy. What is a skinny bar chart? And then later, it has some kinetic energy, some gravitational potential energy, and that is all. And we've lost some of our total energy to work. So we could say kinetic energy initial equals final kinetic plus gravitational plus the work done. You could also say the initial kinetic minus the work done equals the final kinetic plus gravitational potential. You can tell from the picture that that's true. And also, if you add W to both sides, you get this. So algebraically, it's true too. I just hate negative numbers, so I do it this way. So I'm going to say 1/2 mv initial squared equals 1/2 mv final squared plus mgh plus w. You can't cancel all your m's because the W term doesn't have an M in it, so we gotta be really careful here. You can tell I already did this problem once. I did it wrong. Gotta be careful. The mass is 256. The initial velocity is 20. Don't forget to square it. Final velocity is 5. Mass is still 256. I'm going to go 9.8 here. If you know you need to use something else, you can totally use something else. Plus W. This term, even my calculator went to sleep. Rude. 5, 1, 2, 0. Oh, be careful with your handwriting. This becomes a handwriting test very quickly. Be sure you know what you were typing. Did I square that 5? I might not have. We can check. I'm getting that other answer again. I got 10.4 and I was real confident about it. Let's look at this really closely. MV, and we square it. 51200, I like that. And then MV, and we square it. 3200, I like 3200. MGH, MGH. Plus 3200. 51200 minus that. I like 10.4. I mean, like, obviously negative 10.4. I don't know where negative 10 points. What if you did 10? Is that what that is? Oh my gosh. That's it. If you do 10, you get 9600, which is 9.6 kilojoules. That's so annoying. I'm sorry. The end. That's how you do that one. Yay, we got it.